Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Neetika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. Let's discuss the Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank level for the next week. And then I have got one breakout stock which can give you a good returns in short term to mid term. So I will discuss its fundamental and buying level also. So stay connected till then and smash the like button now. So let's start with the Nifty 50 chart. What's happening in the Nifty 50 charts? Nifty 50 is trading at 17,850 somewhere. So what happened on Friday? It since last 3 days. So Friday, Thursday and Wednesday. 3 दिन लगातार निफ्टी was falling down, and it is totally showing the weakness of the market, and it has even closed to here 17,000. It has touched the low of 17,800. Till now it has not broken the 17,800, but yes, it has touched the 17,800 and ऊपर के लेवल पे 80 हाई उसने 18,000 का लगाया है. So what can be the possibility of the Nifty 50 level in next week? I'm feeling it is looking weak. So if it's falling again, अभी तो 17,850 के आसपास है. If it's breaking is 17,800, even it is touched the 17,800. If it's breaking 17,800, it definitely going to touch the 17,500. तो 17,500 का एक गुड सपोर्ट है ना. ऊपर के लेवल पे अगर जाता भी है तो पहला तो इसका रेजिस्टेंस विल बी द 18,150 एंड देन आफ्टर दैट 18,250. तो 17,500 to 18,150 and then 18,250. So what can be the trading area for the next week for Nifty 50? 17,500 to 18,250 level. So now we have come to the Nifty Bank chart. Nifty Bank is trading at 42,190 level, and it has touched the low of 41,890, means 880. तो मतलब 900 के आसपास. तो 41,880 के आसपास it has touched the low and high was 42,700. So ये भी same as a Nifty 50. It is also has made a 1, 2, 3 candle which is going to low and showing the weakness of the Nifty Bank. This is showing the weakness. So अभी ये नीचे जाएगा तो नीचे के लेवल पे what can be the support? This is the support a 41,500. 41,450 to 500 can be the support area for the immediate support area for the Nifty Bank. एंड अपसाइड में 43,000 का हियर 43,000 का एक अच्छा रेजिस्टेंस है which Nifty 50 can face, but it is showing a weakness for next week. It may fall till 41,450. So what can be the trading range for the Nifty Bank in next week? 41,500 to 43,000 level. So now we'll discuss and analyze that stock which has given a good breakout, and then this can give you good return in very short time. Means I mean short term to mid term. So uh, this stock is insurance company HDFC Life. So let me first discuss the fundamental. This is a large cap company, life insurance company, and the market cap of this company is 1,31,450 around. तो ये कंपनी लार्ज कैप है. स्टॉक पी 100. स्टॉक पी 100 है जो कि थोड़ा सा ओवर वैल्यूड है. इंडस्ट्री पी के कंपैरिजन में, तो थोड़ा सा ओवर वैल्यूड है ये स्टॉक का प्राइस। आर ओ सी इज 10.8%, which is good, and RO is also 10%. So it is not very good, but yes, okay. And dividend yield is 0.28%. Again, it is not very good. And debt to equity is 0.08, means almost company is almost debt free. EPS is 6.2727, and the operating profit margin is 1.45. So this is the real picture of the fundamental. You can check the fundamental here. दो तीन बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियां लाइफ इंश्योरेंस में आती हैं, SBI लाइफ, HDFC लाइफ एंड LIC. So HDFC life is also very good in life insurance company. It is a large cap. Now I will discuss the buying level and technical levels. So कहाँ breakout दिया? HDFC life has given the breakout here. This level it has broken it, I think 2-3 days back, and after that it is going up. So एक इसका I will tell you the levels where it has given the breakout and it can retest also. So अभी ये आगे यहाँ पे जाके somewhere it will face resistance, and then it can come back to retest the level of breakout. Then from here it can start again journey towards the upside. So एक इस ये एक लेवल है, दिस इज एक्चुअली 595 से ब्रेकआउट दिया है, और दिस इज ट्रेडिंग एट 610. तो 600 से 570 के बीच में ये 590 600 से, if it can break also this level and come little also down, because market Nifty is also not showing strength, so it can break this also and come little down. It can fall little bit, and till it can come till 570. So if it comes to 570, then it's okay, this is also very good buying level. But अगर 600 तक भी आता है, if it's retesting till 600, you can buy also here. This is the also good place for buying this stock for long term and investment purpose. This stock is fundamentally very good stock, and only you can buy it for insurance, for um, investment purpose. So 570 to 600 तक बाइंग जोन फॉर HDFC लाइफ, एंड ऊपर के लेवल पे 640 के आसपास एक यहाँ एक ये है, ये तो खैर इट हैज ब्रोकन दिस लेवल, एंड उसके ऊपर भी अगर जाता है ऊपर, तो यहाँ के आसपास हियर, यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी इट इज फेसिंग 617 पे, ऑलरेडी इट इज फेसिंग द रेजिस्टेंस. सो इसको इफ इट ब्रेक्स इट, तो 640 के आसपास एक रेजिस्टेंस आएगा यहाँ पे, एंड देन आफ्टर दैट इट कैन रीच टू टारगेट ऑफ 670 level. So target of HDFC life for midterm can be 670 also. So you can keep this stock on your radar for investment purpose. For long term, you can accumulate this stock at this 600 to 570 level. And for these type of more ideas of stocks, please subscribe the channel and hit the like button and share the video. Signing off.